In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list on eBay. We'll start right on the eBay homepage. Move your cursor to the top menu and hover over My eBay. A small menu opens. Choose Selling. This takes you to your selling hub, where you'll manage everything related to your listings. From here, look for the option that says List an Item and select it to begin a brand new listing. In the search box, type what you're selling. Let's use shoe as an example. You'll see suggestions appear. If one of them is an exact match for your item, click it to use eBay's recommended product details. This can save time and improve visibility. When you've selected the best match, click Continue to move on. Next, choose the condition. Be accurate here. Buyers rely on this. For this walkthrough, select Pre-owned. Good. That means the item shows normal signs of use but is fully functional. If that fits your item, great. Then click Continue. Now add photos by choosing Upload from Computer. Use clear, well-lit images on a clean background and include multiple angles. Show any flaws honestly. Transparent photos build trust and reduce returns. Add a strong, clear title. Include the brand, model, size, and color so your listing appears in the right searches. Then confirm or adjust the item category to make sure your product is filed where buyers expect to find it. Fill in the item specifics. Start with brand, then set the US shoe size and choose the color. Accurate specifics help your listing show up in filtered searches and reassure buyers that your item matches what they want. Write a helpful description, summarize the condition, note anywhere, include measurements if relevant, and list exactly what's included. Keep it concise but thorough, and avoid copying text that doesn't apply to your exact item. Set your pricing. Choose a price that reflects the item's condition and current market demand. If comparable items sell for a certain amount, align with that while leaving room for shipping costs and fees. Buyers respond to clear, fair pricing. Configure shipping. Select the service and cost structure that works for you. Then add your domestic shipping option. Be clear about handling time and packaging so buyers know when to expect their order. When everything looks correct, photos, title, category, style, specifics, description, price, and shipping, go ahead and click List It. Your item is now live and ready for buyers to find. That's it. Follow these steps each time and you'll create clean, trustworthy listings that sell. Thanks for watching and happy selling.